Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. I did not go to class this morning. I'm out of my quarantine period, but still in my, I need to have a mask on, and I don't feel well. I guess I should say I feel okay. I've got a little bit of a cough, but I cannot wake up. It doesn't matter how much I sleep. I'm just so tired. So I didn't go to class because I didn't think I'd be able to pay attention anyway. But I am working. I've got a stack of orders here that need to go out this morning. You guys probably hear the cutting machines going. I'm finishing up the last of what I need for those. My printer keeps doing this weird thing where it's printing my registration marks too high, which is fun. I lost my smell a couple of days ago. I had gotten out of the shower and was putting lotion on and was kind of like, wait a second, and went to sniff it and realized I couldn't smell it. I brought it out here to Evan, and I was like, smell this, and he was like, yeah, it smells like vanilla. And I was like, great. So I went around sniffing everything, like a candle, stuff that I should definitely be able to smell. Absolutely nothing. That has come back a little bit. For the most part, it's kind of okay. I can smell a little bit, but that was a really weird sensation, not being able to smell anything at all. Other than that though, I feel okay. I'm so tired. If I try to do anything, it's like I need a nap. But yeah, so I need to get these orders done. So I am currently cutting, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up so you guys can see me packaging. And then $2 Tuesday went up yesterday, last night. I don't think I'm gonna do a release for this Friday. I think instead I'm gonna do a BOGO kit sale. It's been a minute since I've done one of those, and I do have UPS coming up, so I'm kind of starting to prep for that. You guys, I'm so tired. It's about 9 in the morning. I don't know if I said that. I keep trying to sleep in, but Aspen won't let me. Anyway, so let's get started on these, and then I will take them to the post office, and then I'm probably gonna lay down. Yeah, let's get going. Hey guys, it is now Friday. I'm currently working through orders. I'm having a really hard time staying awake still. I'm so exhausted. It's just from the second that I wake up, all I just want to sleep. And I've been taking a lot of naps because obviously I was sick, so I'm trying to, do what I need to do, but it's a little bit out of hand. I'm just so tired. Anyway, so I've got a stack of orders right here that are almost done. They're probably not gonna make it until tomorrow morning though. It's currently 4:20 and I'm still cutting, so I'm gonna drop these off in the morning. But these were from last Friday, I wanna say, maybe, I'm not sure, either way. So that is what is currently going on. I thought I would just vlog for a second. I already got footage of me packaging some orders, so I don't wanna get more of me doing that. I think that's gonna be kind of boring. I'm just cutting a few things that are needed for these. There's also, there's a foil kit that I need to do that's a reship, and then there's some clear foil, but that's what's going on. Like I said, I'm really having a hard time staying awake. So if anybody has anything that worked for you post-COVID where you were just exhausted, let me know in the comments. I've been eating a lot of fruit. I always drink a lot of water. I read somewhere, probably on Reddit, to try Pedialyte. So I'm gonna go get some of that here in a little bit. I did go to class yesterday. I don't know if I went to class Tuesday or not. Did I go to class Tuesday? Maybe I did, I can't remember. Either way, I have a really hard time concentrating. I do have a vocab test for anatomy on next Tuesday, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I just can't focus. Like, I'm having a very hard time focusing on anything, paying attention to anything, and staying awake. So that's fun. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this vlog because I know it's not very long, but that is what my Friday is looking like. Tomorrow morning I'll drop these at the post office. Like I said, I probably won't print labels until tomorrow morning. And then this weekend, I think I'm gonna try to just relax a little bit because I am so caught up. Doing just matte removable makes it so easy for me to stay on top of these because I can print a ridiculous amount and get them all cut and have them ready to go so quickly. So I think I'm just gonna relax a little bit this weekend, try to sleep a lot, and then come Monday, I will get back to it. So I will talk to you guys on Monday. guys, it is now Saturday. It is about 1 p.m. I have been working all morning cutting. We're trying to get caught up on UPS orders. I'm gonna show you guys some of that in a minute, but I wanted to go, well, not in a minute, next vlog. I wanted to go ahead and get this one uploaded. I just finished editing it. I know it's kind of all over the place. I hope you guys enjoyed though. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.